It's time to bring our coloring pencils back from the dead. Today, we're working out of Zombie Coloring Magazine. This unreal coloring book has some of the best dressed undead you'll ever see. And today's page is really going to test our artistic skills. We're going to have a coloring explosion like you've never seen in a coloring book. Let's get started. I've never worked on a background like this before, so I'm going to color in the sections of this explosion with several different colors. I want it to be bright, so I stayed away from darker colors like purple. Zombie is always one of my favorites to color because I never know what challenges it will throw my way. I mean, check this out. The background is looking great. Because it's a zombie, you have to add a splash of red to the clothing. Everyone knows zombies like tomato soup and are messy eaters. We'll give our dapper zombie a nice blue suit jacket. I added some yellow highlights to create the illusion of light reflecting. It's small details like this that really make the page pop. Let's move on to our shirt and tie. I'm using a few shades of green to fill in this shirt, and our tie will be a dark blue. Now to our main event. It's time to moisturize this rotting flesh with our colors. I include red splatters of tomato soup for accuracy. I then use an orange color for the highlights on the face. I switch to dark green for the shadows and fill in the rest with blue. Our hair will be a combination of pink and orange. Lastly, I'll use my blending stump to gently mix all of these colors together. This page has been a lot of fun. This took about 45 minutes, and it was a great way for me to get lost in some art. This book really put my coloring skills to the test, and I think it turned out great. What do you think?